A ball is dropped from a height of 120 meters. After striking the floor, the ball rebounds 4/5 of the height from which it was dropped. And find the total distance that it travels before coming to rest. Here we are given where that a ball is dropped from a height of 120 meters. So it travels 120 meters and then it rebounds 4/5 of 120. And from here it comes back again the same distance. And then it rebounds 4/5 of this distance. So it rebounds 4/5 of 4 over 5 times 120. And this process continues until the ball comes to rest. So we can say that the total distance covered is equal to 120 plus 2 times 4 over 5 times 120 plus 4 over 5 square times 120 plus 4 over 5 cube times 120 and so on up to infinity. And that is equal to 120 plus 2 times, and the series that we got here is infinite GP, whose sum is A, which is 4 over 5 times 120 over 1 minus R. And R here is 4 over 5. So 4 over 5, which is equal to 120 plus 2 times 4 times 120 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. We can cancel out 5. So that is 120 plus 2 times 480. And that's 120 plus 960 or 1080 meters.